Welcome to our final podcast on exploring EndNote.
In this podcast, we're going to look at how you can personalise your EndNote library by creating group sets and groups.
So we're going to concentrate on the left panel today. And as you can see, we've already got some group sets and groups, and we're going to share with you how you can create your own. So if you'd like to go up to the top of the toolbar where it says groups, and then select halfway down, you'll see Create Group Set. We select that, and then you can name it anything you like. So I think this one will be very imaginative and call it Training.
And as you will discover when you start to use EndNote, there are several different ways that you can do the same thing in most of the functions. So as well as doing it the way that we've just shown you, you can also right-click. So if I were to click onto our training group set and right-click, I can create a group within that set. And I'm going to call it podcasts.
Okay, now we have our group, we can now populate it. So if we go to the main library, and it's very easy to put records into your group. You just drag and drop. So select a record and just drag it into the podcast group and drop. And now you can see we have one record in there.
And if you're not so good at the dragging and dropping, which I sometimes struggle with, you can select your reference, right-click and add references to whichever group you want to add it to. You can also do multiple selections if you use the control or the shift buttons.
Okay, and as you can see in the podcast, we now have 2 records. Thank you.